Joe McLeod, National Credit Expert with the Credit Group. Now today's credit tip is how trade lines improve your credit scores. Now trade lines have been a process of improving consumers' credit for so many years now. Understanding how credit lines work, it will completely blow your mind away. Have you ever heard of something that says, it's too good to be true? That's what trade lines remind me of. It is just too good to be true. A trade line is an account that is reported on your credit report. Just as if you would have a Bank of America, a Capital One, an auto loan, anything that reports on your credit file that has the balance, the credit limit, the amount that you're paying is considered a trade line. There's nothing illegal about it. It's all legal. This is something that is used to increase and to boost your credit scores. Added trade can be added without worries. It's something, or even a headache. Is not. Think about it this way: that you're trying to get approved for a credit card, and you're not able to get approved because they're telling you that you need to have established credit. Now, how can you're in the middle of not being approved, need an established credit, and that's where the trade line will fall right there. This is something that can be added onto your credit file to show a positive credit history. And here at the Credit Group, that's what we offer to our clients. There are a few other companies that do. We're teamed up with jewelry companies. We're teamed up with Capital One. There's so many companies that we're teamed up with, and being able to offer this service to our clients to improve their credit scores. Trade lines can be anywhere from $1,500 to $10,000, and that's what we offer here at the office. Many times that folks rely on a prepaid card, a secured card, in other words, to build their credit. Having a secured card, more than likely you're going to add $300, $250, $500, and what that does is it's not creating that credit worthiness that you need to really gain that strong credit file. So here it is. You're able to get approved. Forget about, the approval process of your income, your credit scores, all of those things, because guess what? When it comes to trade line, it's a blind eye. We don't care, okay? It's given to you to report to the bureaus to establish credit for you. Can you imagine how amazing that is? You're allowed 3 times a year to pull your credit without being credit score affected. So guess what? Why use up your inquiries? Why allow your credit scores to decrease because you keep pulling to see how well your credit is? Did this secured card increase my credit score like it should? That's why you have to revert back to a trade line. It's the product that you want to use to gain those points, to build strong credit for you. Another thing, when you're obtaining a mortgage loan, guess what the lenders want to see? They want to see established credit. They would like to see credit utilization. That's why we add a small balance on those credit cards so that you're able to show how well you're paying back your bills. They want to see also credit worthiness. And of course, most importantly, a credit score of 640. A lot of times I come across folks and they're stuck. They're completely stuck at a 640, 620, 700. They just can't go any higher with their credit score. So using a trade line to boost your score, it does so much good for your credit file, and that's why we encourage our clients that have very limited credit. Why result to a secured card? That's only $250, $300. Get a trade line. That's $1,500, $5,000, $10,000. You want to be able to use that, but you have to be careful. You definitely have to be careful because there are a lot of people that are saying they do trade lines, they add trade lines. They're not doing it the right way. They're using CPNs, creating a whole different identity. That's fraud. That's scam. You don't want to use that. You don't want to use that type of trade line. So again, trade lines are the way to go. They build credit for you, build credit worthiness, strong credit. My name is Joe McLeod, National Credit Expert with the Credit Group, where we change lives one credit line at a time.